Welcome back everybody, it's Leah with SBRX and today we are playing with new makeup. I had ordered a ton of new makeup to go over with you guys and only half of it arrived, and then I realized I can get really long-winded, so I thought it'd be best to split it up into two different videos anyway. So we're going to swatch a few palettes. I have some lipsticks and I have some eyebrow products, so I'm super excited, so let's just get right into it. So the first palette I got was the By Terry Sun Designer palette in the number 3 Tropical Sunset. As you can see, this is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I wore this top today because it kind of goes with like basically everything I purchased. So the reason I picked this palette up in particular was because with winter coming, actually winter's here and it's freezing, I still want that beautiful sun-kissed look, but I'm super pale, so this is going to be great for all skin tones. It has your bronzer, it has your blush, it has your highlighter, and it's just all so pretty. This is a warm colored palette and it does feature a little bit of gold shimmer. So the bronzer is like right up my alley. It doesn't lean orange, it doesn't lean too brown. It's just a really, really pretty brown bronzer color. And then we have this really pretty, like very poppy blush. It actually reminds me a lot of the Osmosis. I think it actually is called Poppy. And this beautiful gold highlight. And I don't know if I'll ever use this orange color. I'm sure this orange color would look so beautiful in like darker skin tones. I think I'm personally just a little too light for it and my skin pulls a little too red. So let's look at this. Wow, it's very pigmented. Yeah, so that's so gorgeous. And then let's go ahead and do the gold highlight too. Really pretty. Hopefully you guys can catch that. So I did use all 3 bronzers today for this video and I just swirled them all together. I did personally have to build it up a lot. I like more of a contoured bronzer, and this is like a beautiful like everyday bronzer look, you know, very work appropriate. So I had to build this up a bit, but it was so pretty. So, and again, these are satin and matte finishes. So this is like the perfect palette for probably absolutely everybody. It has a little bit of something for all skin types and tones, and it's just really gorgeous. And of course the packaging's super pretty too. So the next thing we're going to talk about is what is on my lips. And by the way, a few months ago I said I rarely wear lipsticks. I had bought that Tarte lipstick just for like a really quick look I was doing, and ever since then I've been obsessed with lipsticks. So I'm like super upset because I feel like I wasted my entire life not ever wearing them, and now I can't get enough. So I didn't want to say that. I've been like going on a spending spree for lipsticks. This one is the Charlotte Tilbury Dance Floor Princess. It is a really gorgeous pinky nude. As you can see, super pretty. Oh, it's just like flawless on the lips. It's super hydrating. You know what I don't like about lipsticks is I always found them like very drying. This is not drying at all. And then I still love my gloss. So I put the Ficla Beauty in Go on top of it. And these two together, like you can kind of see, because the glosses again are a little more transparent, but they have that like nice nudie look. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. The Charlotte Tilbury and Dance Floor Princess with the Ficla Beauty gloss in Go is gorgeous together. I'm wearing it right now. I love these two. They're very similar shades. These really gorgeous nudie pinks. So if you want more of like a soft, not exactly matte, but not really glossy, just the Charlotte Tilbury alone is perfect. But if you're like me and you like a little more like glossy, almost like wet look to your lips, pop this on top and oh my gosh. And of course the Ficla Beauty collagen serums give you a little plump to your lips. So these two together are just gorgeous. So I absolutely am loving those. Again, hopefully you can see how similar in shade they are. So pretty. I will be picking up many more lipsticks by Charlotte Tilbury. The next palette I'll be talking about. I'm very excited to go over with you guys because we are actually carrying Sigma Beauty now. We are in the process of getting all of their products up on the website, but I have been obsessing over this palette. I have put it on social media a few times because it is so pretty. As you can see, it's gigantic. You get this extra gigantic mirror, which I need. I have a big old head, so I'm super excited that my head like literally fits in this mirror. And then look how big these cheek color pans are. They are gigantic. And you are getting 6 of them in this palette. And this palette's only like $40. Actually, it's less than $40. And this is beautiful. It's literally every single color you need. So you're getting a beautiful mix of really all the tones you need. You have your more like nudie blush bronzer down here that looks a lot like the Osmosis Nude Bliss blush. And this Mod Mauve actually looks like the blush I wear in most videos from Osmosis. The one I wear, Summer Rose. So this looks extremely similar to it. Like all of these are very similar. That's why I'm like loving this, because if you had to buy all of those blushes from Osmosis, it would put you back a pretty penny, and you're getting all of this for $40. And they're beautiful, super pigmented. Right now, again, because I am typically wearing the Summer Rose, I have the Mod Mauve on right now. This really, really beautiful pink color, I just dusted on top of that. But let's go ahead and swatch a few so you can see for yourself just how pretty they are. So this is the Spiced, and like I said, this reminds me so much of the Osmosis Nude Bliss. And you could really use that as a bronzer too. Super pretty. This is the Mod Mauve, which I am wearing right now. The next is Tiger Lily, which again is a color that's going to look so good on somebody with tan or olive skin. It kind of leans a little orangey. Probably can't, see, I'm not even picking it up probably on my skin coloring. That's probably why I won't wear it often. But again, it's super pretty. I would probably actually wear that color as a eyeshadow. I've said in a few videos ago that I like orange on my lids, and that would actually work really, really well because it does lean a little orange. This is the Cor de Rosa, and this one's so pretty. I should have wore this one too. Oh, I really like that. Oh, okay. Well, I know what I'm gonna wear in my next video. The next one is Pinkin, which is literally just a really beautiful pink. And again, this is why I wore this shirt today. It just is going along so well with all of these colors. So at the end of this video, I'll make sure to put a still frame up too so you can see all of these and like all of their beautiful glory. And the last one is Pet Name, and it's legitimately the same exact color as my shirt. You can see that. Ooh, right there. Oh, it's so pretty. This palette will definitely give you a ton of definition, a ton of depth to, you know, your look, whatever look you're trying to go for, whether it's just a really natural look or a little more like va-va-voom. This is the perfect palette for you. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and now I feel like I have all of my favorites in this beautiful, beautiful compact. The next product I'm going to talk to you guys about, again, is from Sigma Beauty. And I have told you my love for eyebrow pencils probably last year about the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. I absolutely love it. Like, who doesn't love it? And since then, I've tried a few other ones. I did like them, but nothing really compared. Until Sigma sent me this eyebrow pencil, and I honestly feel, and I'm not saying this because I have to or because I sell it or for anything like that, if I don't talk about a piece of makeup, it's probably because I don't like it. I'm very honest. I am not the like most educated on makeup. I'm not like a makeup artist by any means, so it's really important to me that I find makeup that I can work with, because I'm not like, you know, this artist. So it's hard for me to find products that I feel like I can work with, not so much they can work with me. So just trust me on this. Give this eyebrow pencil a try. You will absolutely fall in love, and I promise you, when you use the entire thing up, you will repurchase it. It's like one of my favorite things right now that I've got. And my eyebrows are pretty excited too. So again, it's super fine. It has the spoiling on the other end, so you can brush them up, brush them out. It doesn't smudge, it stays all day, and it just creates a really natural, beautiful brow. So again, that's the Sigma Beauty Eyebrow Pencil. 100% recommend this. I love it. The last product we are going to talk about is the Sigma Beauty Color and Shape Brow Duo Powder. And this is perfect for somebody who doesn't want to draw their brows in. Like me, I don't want to draw them in every single day, but I still do want to make sure that they're, you know, full. And the way I achieve that is with powder. And what I like, again, about this is it comes with a mirror, and that's so important to me. I have to see what I'm doing. And then it does come with 2 shades. I like mine a little darker towards the tail and a little lighter up front. So these do come in light, medium, and dark. So it's very customizable, and whatever color, you know, is best for you, you also get the lighter shade. I would match it to the dark, I would match your eyebrow to the darker color, and then you have the lighter shade to just fill it in and give it a little more highlight underneath. So Sigma does have a pomade too. I personally haven't used it yet, but I am so loving the powder for like every day, and then the pencil, wherever it went, just when I really want them defined and really, really pretty and structured. Perfect, perfect pencil. And you can use these together too. But that is, I think, all of the makeup we're going to go over today. So that is all my new makeup that I'm absolutely loving. Make sure all of this makeup is linked below so that it's easy to find and accessible to you if you saw something you want to try. If it makes me feel beautiful, it's going to make you feel beautiful. I love all this makeup. I hope you love this video too, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.